All PCs have a port used to connect a keyboard. There are two types of keyboard ports. Most PCs have the larger, old style, called an AT keyboard port. Some PCs have the smaller keyboard port found on the IBM PS computers. Any keyboard can be used with either port if you have the correct cable. When you press the K key on your keyboard, a plunger attached to the key pushes against a spring or a rubber dome. The pressure from your finger overpowers the resistance of the spring or dome so that it collapses. This causes two electrical contacts to come together and electricity flows through them, making a circuit. When you lift your finger, the spring or dome pop the key up and the circuit is broken.
How does the computer know which key has been pressed? The current flows from the key to a chip in the keyboard called a microprocessor. This processor matches the keystroke with a table of scan codes. These numbers are used to identify letters in the alphabet. The microprocessor passes this new code number onto a sort of high-tech waiting room in your RAM. That is your random access memory. RAM holds your letter until the PC is ready to use it. At the same time, the keyboard's microprocessor sends a signal to another device, the interrupt controller. It tells your PC to stop what it's doing and pay attention to the waiting keystroke. Next, the interrupt controller sends a signal to the CPU, which passes the task off to the ROM BIOS chip, which yells up to the keyboard controller, "Hey, where's that scan code anyway?" Based on what key has been pressed, the software performs some action, usually displaying a character on the screen.